Hello everybody, in this video I will show you what is the vertical axis of a Bode plot in magnitude. So let's go to it, and we already seen the horizontal axis with the log scale, and now we have the vertical one with the magnitude, which is expressed in dB. dB are decibels, and this is the definition of decibels. So 20 times log 10 of something. This something is the modulus of the complex transfer function that we want to plot. So let's see what is the analogy between the value here and the dB correspondent. So imagine that we have here 1000. So 10 to the 3 log base 10 of 10 to the 3 is equal to 3. So 20 times 3 is 60. So we have 1000 in linear, which correspond to 60 in dB scale. With this in mind, we can make a simple table with some example. This one. So here we have just power of 10 to make it simple, but anyway. So we have 10 to the 6, which correspond to 20 times 6, 120 dB, and so on. 10 to the 5, we have 100. 10 to the 4, 80. 10 to the 2 is 40 dB. 10 is 20 dB. 1, which correspond to 10 to the 0, is 0 dB. And so on. When we go to numbers which are less than 1, we have 10 to the minus 1 is minus 20, 10 to the minus 2, minus 40, and so on. For intermediate values, we will have to calculate the exact log 10 of the value, so the exact value, but this is the general idea. So that we can actually plot, we can draw two vertical axes, for example here, and in order to better see the equivalence between the linear scale and the decibel scale. So for example, in decibel scale, I would have 0 dB, which correspond in linear scale to 1. 20 correspond to 10. 40 to 100, and so on. 60 to exponent 3000, and so on. Minus 20 is 0, 1, and so on. So this is basically some graphical representation of this table here. Hope this could help. Thank you for watching.